Orlando,
no, don't come back this way. Shovel it.
Oh, dude, all that
Another one's
nothing,
sick.
man.
It's cold out here now.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's snow. We're gonna plow it up.
Let it snow, let it snow. Snow, go on, hustle it.
That is not the shovel you use to shovel snow. You can do that.
Me? Get over here, hold it out. Now you can start doing the rest of that right there.
Oh, now you're stuck. Uh-oh. That's so sad. Please don't come back down here, man. I'm gonna be highly upset. 2 cattle buses stuck in the snow.
He got out.
With a cattle bus? Oh. That's fun. Go back tomorrow.
Jam, help me over here.
You go help him over there. Gotta go down the line. What's up there, brother?